We are redesigning Collegiate, so our new name is going to be PSG Collegiate School of Health Professions, a 6th through 12th grade early college campus. We are very excited to have 5th graders from 25 PSG elementary schools touring our campus, getting to know our students and our teachers. They'll be our first group of 6th grade next year because we are expanding to become a 6th through 12th grade campus.
We're doing a recruitment expo for the 5th graders and coming 6th graders. So we're super excited to have them. You know, we're giving them a full tour of our campus. We're letting them get a feel of what Collegiate is really like. And I feel like that's really important because we want to give them a sense of like home and community, and we want them to feel welcome on our campus.
When I go to middle school, I hope it's like Collegiate. I'm having so much fun in Collegiate, and I hope I can come to school next year.
I really hope that the students are getting a sense of what our culture is like. We've established a very positive and college-going culture and get to feel how we really are a collegiate family.